up, guys? It's Josh with DepriveD Productions with a third Unreal Engine 4 material tutorial. We're going to talk about lerping today. A little simple lerp. Lerp, L-E-R-P for linear interpolate. I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going to show you how to do it. We need what's called an alpha map, and let's do it. I'm in the content, going to my BP. Got to be inside the BP folder. Right-click, material. We'll name it Lerp because that's what we're going to do. We're going to double click on it and it opens it up and it puts it in this spot right here. I like it right there so I can click back and forth like I said. Hold the number 3 and pull a collar, okay? And plug it into base collar real quick. We're going to fly through this. A lot of cool stuff to learn. Little bluish purple blue collar with a little purple in it, but it's more blue, I think. And we're going to save it because that's it. We're done. Congratulations. I appreciate you watching. Let's drag that onto our square, little square box here with a square in it. Now we're gonna keep doing stuff to that because that's boring. Hold the number 3 again, and just pick another color. I'm going green because I'm a green kind of guy. I get green. What? And then let's see. We need the need an alpha map. I'm gonna explain to you why we need an alpha map because I want my mesh to have both green and blue on it. Go to the content browser, right? Got the content here. Go to if you need to start a content on your project if you want this in there. But an alpha map is literally just a black and white map that you can use to change to different colors. I'll explain how. Go to textures and just type in the word macro. This is one that comes into starter content, and you can just drag and drop out. Look how crazy looking that is. Okay, we're going to use this. You know what I'm talking about? Now I want you to hold the letter L anywhere out here. Hold the letter L and click. Got the Lerp. Hold the letter L and click. Boom. There you go. Like I said, that is sweet. Now check this out. What this is going to do, it's just going to ask for an alpha map. This, yeah? And then it's going to ask for 2 values. And we're going to pick our colors. Green on the bottom, bluish purple, whatever on the top. And then we'll get rid of that because we need, that was Alt and click. And then we'll drag the Lerp in here. And you can see on the box, or on the bottom, on the ball, what it's doing on that ball. Save it, go over. Look at it now, right? A little green, a little blue, a little purple, a little everything. Double click, keep going. I'm gonna show you another trick here. We talked about a couple other parameters here, so check it out. I'm gonna hold L and click again, and I'm gonna hold the number 1 and click twice. Yep, I got 2 1s here, so 1 values. And I'm gonna plug this into roughness. You know what I'm talking about? You remember the roughness, like one's smooth and one's not? So we'll just make it 0 and 0. That one's 0, and this one that's plugged in the second one, we'll make sure that it is 1. Right? So 1 is super smooth and 1 is not. Now if you plug this into the alpha of this, it's going to fail, and that's because you're only giving it 1 value. It's asking for 3. So let's just use the red channel because that's only 1 of the 3 values, right? Get it? Red, blue, green, 3. All right, forget it. Save, and then we're going to go back and we're going to see what this did. Remember, 1's smooth, 1's not. 1 is really reflective, 1 is not, and that, my friends, that's where it's at. We're gonna double click. We're not done yet. We're gonna grab all this and drag it down, and then Control C while it's selected. Control V up here, and boom, I got another one, and I'm gonna put it into the metallic, just to be fun. Check this out. I've already got the value set. Put it in the red. Save, son. Now I think the green is yeah, the green's really metallic and the blue's not. So whoa. It's really happening now. You know what I'm saying? I really kind of dig this. I think that is sweet looking. But I want to show you one more thing we can do with it. We can bring in textures, right? Instead of collars, say these collars right here, let's unplug these. You know what I'm saying? Just get them out of the way for a minute, drag them over here. I want to open up this content browser one more again. And it's in textures. I'm already in textures, so I'm going to pick a couple. And I want to pick their normal maps too, okay? So let's do it. Let's see. Let's scroll down here. A little bit. I like this one right here. We'll grab that and the normal right beside it. And you know what? I like this mossy looking collar one too, and we'll grab it and the normal right beside it. Let's move these normals out of the way, but for right now, I'm gonna put the grass right here and the dirt right here instead of the collars. Yeah? You see what's happening here? You already know what I'm doing. You're going to see it update right there. I'm not going to lie, the metal isn't going to work, so I'm going to unplug the metal for the textures. And you know what? Just grab all those and delete them. So now I've got this shiny rock with a not so shiny moss. And dude, tell me this isn't going to look nasty. I mean, come on. It's not bad. It's not that bad. You know what I mean? It's pretty good. We're going to do one more thing to it though. Double click. I'm going to do one more lerp because we be lerping, and then, you know, plug this in here. And then plug this into normal. You know what I'm talking about. You already know what I'm doing. You already know what I'm doing. And let's just make sure we got the right ones. We got the grass. Got the grass on top, if I'm correct, up here. So we're going to put the grass on top there and the rock on the bottom. So it's going to lerp those normal maps. So we're going to have this rocky, mossy, shiny, smooth. Ugh. That is freaking fantastic, guys. Just look at it. Just keep on looking at it. Why are you not? Why aren't you looking at it? I mean, that is sweet, man. We made this in 7 minutes or something. I haven't timed it. But guess what? Hey, I appreciate you guys watching, though. I'm just having fun, guys. I hope you guys are, too. I'm getting ready to release 2 real quick materials about, like, water-style fluid textures. So here soon, in the next few days, the next UE4 tutorial, we're going to release 2 of them, like a simple fluid and a complex fluid. So get ready, guys. Please smash the subscribe button on the channel. Get involved. We got all kind of stuff. Check out the music. It's super cool. Final Alpha EP from DepriveD themselves. It's awesome. It's on Apple Music, everything. Tons of tutorials, guys. All kinds of cool stuff coming. I appreciate you guys. I will talk to you soon. Appreciate you watching. See you soon. Peace.